friends and associates. And it's also can be done, and it's also has a tradition, and it's somewhat bona fide also, to go to Guru and get Siddha Pranali. It's told, not by all the acharyas, it's mentioned by Bhaktivinoda Thakur, it's mentioned by Dhyan Chandra Goswami, and it's mentioned by Vrindavan Chakravarti, who's some famous commentator on Bhagavatam. Vrindavan Chakravarti, not Vishnu. But if you look closely at the writings, and this is what I've discussed with people that have Siddha Pranali, I've discussed this with my friends that have taken Siddha Pranali, they say, aside from these three, you will not find in the writings of the foundational acharyas for Gaudiya Vaishnavism. Because Bhaktivinoda Thakur, for us, he's a Mahajan, he's an acharya, he's like everything, he's like Rupa Goswami, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, for us. And Vrindavan Chakravarti, whoever he is, I don't know. And Dhyan Chandra Goswami is also a very much unknown person, but he's coming in line of Gopal Guru. Not a very major sampradaya. The sampradaya of Gopal Guru is very small. Gadadhar Sampradaya, Nityananda Sampradaya, Advaita Sampradaya. These are the big sampradayas and paramparas of Gaudiya Vaishnavism. And when we say foundational acharyas, this means the 6 Goswamis. They are the acharyas for all Gaudiya Vaishnavas. Do you agree? Especially Srila Jiva Goswami, because he was invested with all the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu invested all the potency in Rupa Goswami, and Rupa Goswami gave his potency to Jiva Goswami. So these are the foundation, means samstak. ISKCON Samstak Acharya Srila Prabhupada ki. The samstak, is it right? Samstak. The beginner, the person who started it, who founded it. The founder acharyas. The founder acharyas and the philosophers and the siddhantists of Gaudiya Vaishnavism they are the 6 Goswamis. Everyone accepts. They are Advaita Acharya. Everyone accepts. They are Gadadhar Pandit. Everyone accepts. They are Nityananda. Everyone accepts. They are Vrindavan Das Thakur. Everyone accepts. They are Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. Everyone accepts. Every single Gaudiya Vaishnava. Anyone disagree? We also accept. Now all of these foundational acharyas have not described anywhere Siddha Pranali. Going to a guru and getting Ekadash Bhav, this is your name, this is your complexion, this is the kind of dress you have, this is your seva, this is your bhava. It has become a tradition. It is being done. Bhaktivinoda wrote about it. Bhaktivinoda took it from Bipin Bihari Goswami, his Diksha Guru. But our Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, his son, and our Param Guru and your Parat Para Guru, you have your Guru, then Param Guru, and Parat Para Guru, he wanted to present a traditional system based on Nam Bhajan, Adoshara Tata Sarusanga Bhajana Kriya Narta Nivriti Tata Nishta. Like this, Ruchi, Asakti Bhav Prem. That this Nam Bhajan, Thakurji Seva, Vaishnav Seva, Guru Seva, devotional service, and Nam Bhajan will bring one to the level of Asakti. And a level of Asakti, then one understands that I'm keenly, strongly interested in loving and serving Radha and Krishna, or Ram, or whomever, like this. And then one modifies and specifies and focuses his bhajan according to that stahi bhav, which is the real thing, a real position of understanding and a real position of attainment. And then he goes deeper and deeper into his bhajan to the level of bhava, even very beginning level of bhava. Then he begins to see, this is my sarup. This is our system. We are propagating this. We believe in this.